So in this Easil tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to download as a PDF file here on Easil. So once you have Easil open up on your device, what you first have to do is, insert whatever you want, create your design, and then have your design finalized. And once that is done, so for example, I'm just going to go ahead here and go to text, add some text. And how about I make this a little bit larger in font? I'm just going to type in the word PDF, just like that. I'm then going to make it a little bit larger. There's my masterpiece. So if I want to save this masterpiece and make it a PDF file, simply just go to the top right hand side of your screen, press on download, then where it says static file types, PDF for me actually is checked. So you can go ahead and press on PDF. You can actually change it as well to best for web, best for print, or whatever the case may be there. I'm just going to leave it as quality for best for print. Then once that is done, go to the bottom right, press on download, and there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that is how to download as a PDF file here on Easil. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.